Hey everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on how to complete the readings. So whether you're in the rocks unit, the minerals unit, the plate tectonics unit, no matter what unit you're in remote learning, this is our expectations for the readings. So first of all, you notice the readings are hyperlinked. So if I go to the article, and that's how you get there, it's going to be in the form of a Google Doc that you have viewing rights for. As you scroll down, typically readings are going to be anywhere from 1 to 3 pages or so. And as you scroll through, you notice there's lots of pictures. So if we were to take out the pictures, the readings would probably be about 1.5 pages. So if you notice, the expectation is that you spend about 20 minutes on this. I'm going to change that to 20. And if you spend approximately 20 minutes, that's our goal, to spend 20 minutes on science each day. It's not going to take you 20 minutes to read the article. So what we have for you is to learn more. So in the second part of the directions, it says read and interact with the learning more activities that are found within the readings. So most of the readings, and there might be some that don't have any learn more activities, but most of them have a set of questions. What I'd like you to do is read those questions, answer them internally. You don't have to write anything down, and then interact with the videos to help you answer those questions. So your goal is to spend 20 minutes interacting with this article. Now keep in mind that depending on your reading speed and how focused you are, if you get to 20 minutes and you're not even done reading the article yet, you're probably not focused, and we do expect you to finish the readings and at least interact with the learn more activities a little bit. So if you're really focused, you should be able to get done with the reading quickly and then have more time to work with the learning more activities. If this is a topic that really interests you, you can interact longer than 20 minutes with those learning more activities. It's a way for us to offer our advanced learners more options. So hopefully these will help you, these directions will help you complete any of the readings. And as always, if you have questions, make sure you email your teacher.